In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a cool RGB photo effect in Pixlr Online Desktop completely for free. Step number 1, drag your image onto Pixlr, add current. Step number 2 is to uncheck or to unlock your layer or your image under the layers panel. Click this, move your image and adjust your image accordingly. The next step is to click filter. Go under to the second option, glitches, and then RGB split. This is the default settings at 20, 180, and 100. The second option, the third option, the fourth, fifth, and sixth. In this case, choose your preferences accordingly. And this is the before. And this is the after. If you want to see more free photo editing tutorials, subscribe to the channel.